Having good leg space under your computer table is a great and comfortable feeling. In this video, we will see how to create better leg space, arrange a convenient space for keeping the keyboard and mouse, and use an existing 2004 Panasonic 2-in-1 stereo player as studio speakers. This is my computer table, which looks a little cramped because I keep my laptop, its power adapters, and an additional keyboard and mouse on it, as I am not comfortable using the laptop's keyboard and mouse. I want a little more space to keep the external keyboard and mouse, so I thought, why not use the existing table drawer tray as an extension of my computer table? Usually, this table drawer is always inside, but if I pull it out, I get a space equivalent to the width of a keyboard. I found an old piece of plywood left over from making our home kitchen cabinets. I cut the plywood to match the size of my table drawer, placed it over the drawer, and pushed the tray in so that it stayed tight. Now, I have almost 10 inches of extra space on my table, where I can comfortably place the keyboard and mouse. One positive aspect is that I got comfortable leg space, and the table extension sits just over my lap at the perfect height for my arms. Next, the speaker sound on my laptop is very low, and I don't get the full effect for sound editing. I am not comfortable using earphones for editing, and I want to hear the sound openly. I checked the prices of good speakers online, and they start at a minimum of $10,000. After going through our existing old gadgets, I thought, why not use the existing old 2004 Panasonic 2-in-1 stereo player as studio speakers? I purchased a 2-meter cable with a 3.5mm stereo pin on one end and 2 RCA pins on the other end. I connected the RCA connectors to the Panasonic stereo's line and CD interface and the 3.5mm stereo jack to the computer's audio out. I changed the function selector on the stereo player to line and CD, and now I can hear the computer sound through my old stereo player speakers. I hope this video is helpful in setting up your computer desk and home studio speaker setup with the existing items in your house. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.